How's it going, everybody? Spent a little money this last weekend. Let me show you. Got some new concrete. Added a 50 by 16 side drive, and then a 30-foot section down to here, and then 14-foot the rest of the way. And it's looking good. In total, it was about 53 yards of concrete. It's a lot. Spent a lot of money. That's not the point of this video. By doing this, we had to bring up grade a little bit over here. You guys can probably see. No, just let me get you in there closer. By keeping level up here at the front pad, we had to come up with it's about 6 inches of gravel here with our 6-inch concrete along the side. So at least how we're going to start the day is I'm going to start filling in what we can here. I got a pretty good pile of dirt stocked up in the back, and then I'm going to get 3, 4, 5 dump truck loads maybe of some black dirt to bring in and fill this up. I want to keep the pad up where it's at, just so water runoff, and it's as flat as possible. I mean, there is obviously a slope to it to get the water runoff, but anywho, I want to build the yard up a little bit over here, and we're going to start doing that. Get a little tractor therapy in today on the old Mahindra Max, and bring it up here for now, and we'll fill in what we can just to kind of protect the gravel for the winter for sure. If not, I do have some dump truck loads coming, like I said. So sit back, relax, and let's move a little dirt. So we need to level the grade out a little bit, and brought in some dirt over here. We've got 32 tons of dirt right here, and we're gonna try to spread this out and even it in to make it look good, and then we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. In total, we're gonna get about 64 tons of dirt to start with to see how it looks. It's not necessarily the cheapest option, but I don't have a whole lot of option here if I wanna make the yard look pretty good and to get some grade to not have such a drop off, which again, there's more than one way to do that, but this is how we're gonna start it. Spend a little bit of cash now to make it look better and hopefully get this settled in. So let's hop on the Max, let's do some dirt work with the box blade and the front loader and spread it out and see how it looks. 64 tons of dirt spread out. Time to let it sit for the winter time. And we're gonna seed it in the spring. Not perfect, but you know, it'll be good to let it settle out. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate that. If you've made it this far in the video, you must like something I'm doing, or well, you forgot to turn it off. If you are not already part of the YouTube family, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell next to it, and if you make that turn gray, you'll get notifications when I post more videos like this. Thanks again for stopping into K6 Outdoors. My name is Kyle, and I'll catch you in the next one. Man, I made a mess. Oh well, see ya.